I hope I don't run late because of the rain.
Whoa, slow down, Bob. Is there a race of some kind in town?
Mr. R, I am so sorry. No, there is no race. I thought the rain would make me late for class. Silly me, didn't realize you were standing there.
That's all right, Bob. Do you think I could join you in your class today? I don't particularly enjoy the rain on a day so gray.
That's me rejoicing. Hop on, Mr. R. Kids, are you ready for our rare special guest today? He is really excited to meet you.
Yes, Bob. Hello, kids. I am really happy to be here. It's Mr. R.
So let's begin. Mr. R, can you tell us some things which start with the letter R?
Rain. Raincoat. Rabbit. Rose. Rainbow. Wow!
Wow! Now that is something. Could you repeat that, Mr. R?
Righto, Bob. Rain. Raincoat. Rabbit. Rose. Rainbow.
What a rocking class this has been. Thank you, Mr. R.
I had a remarkable time, too.
Now, shall we teach the kids how to write the letter R?
I am ready.
Jack, let's begin.
Yes, Bob.
First, make a standing line from the top to the bottom. That's right. Now, lift up your pencil or crayon. Go back to the top and draw a curve round to the middle of the standing line. And without lifting your crayon or pencil, make a slanting line going down to the right-hand side. Perfect! You've got it!
Can I try it again, Bob?
Sure, Jack.
First, make a standing line from the top to the bottom. Go back to the top and draw a curve round to the middle of the standing line. And without lifting the crayon or pencil, make a slanting line going down to the right-hand side like this.
Thank you, Bob. This was a refreshing class. I feel great.
We were happy to have you here, too. But before you leave, we would like to sing you a song.
Lovely. Let's all rejoice.
It is rare to find a friend so kind, rarely rude, always in a good mood. He stays inside on rainy days, loves the warmth of the sun's rays. His favorite color is red, red, red. Likes raspberry jam on his slice of bread. Always ready to give us time. Loves to sing and speak in rhyme. It is rare to find a friend so kind, rarely rude, always in a good mood. Royal and Rosie, a real rock star. Sing together, R's our superstar.
That was really fun and relaxing, Bob. Thank you.
There is always a rhyme ready for you, Mr. R. We will be back soon with another letter of the alphabet and loads of fun.
Goodbye, friends.